Hey guys. As we approach the new year, many of us are thinking about resolutions, losing weight, picking up new habits, or maybe even learning a new skill. But here's a question that you might not be asking yourself. What does the state of your financial house look like as we step into the year? The new year is the perfect time to assess where you stand financially and whether you're just paying bills, staying afloat, or building something that can truly support your future. How many times have you found yourself stressed out about money in the past year? Bills piling up, wondering if you'll have enough to get through the month, or even worrying about how you're going to cover the rent. I know that feeling. You're not alone. Let's face it, money matters. It's the oil that keeps our lives running smoothly. From that morning coffee to paying rent or a mortgage, money is always there. But here's the million-dollar question. Is your money working hard for you? Or are you stuck working paycheck to paycheck? We often don't realize how much financial stress affects our everyday lives, from our relationships to our health. Here's the thing. You'd be surprised how many of your fears and anxieties are actually based on money. It's a huge factor in the decisions we make every single day. Sure, money isn't the most important thing in life, but let's be real. It's right up there with oxygen when it comes to how we live. You can't ignore it. And when you're just getting by, paying bills, or living paycheck to paycheck, it can start to feel like money is controlling you, instead of the other way around. Now I know money isn't everything, but let's face it. Without a solid grasp on it, life can feel like you're treading water. So here's the big question. Do you know the state of your financial house? Are you actually building wealth? Or are you just paying bills and hoping things work out? So, what exactly do I mean by your financial house? Think of it like your financial foundation, the structure that holds everything together. Just like a real house needs strong walls, a sturdy roof, and good plumbing to function well, your finances need a solid base and smart management to keep things running smoothly. The state of your financial house determines how stable and secure you are in life, especially when the unexpected comes knocking. In today's video, we're going to look at 3 types of financial houses. Each one represents a different way of managing your money, and more importantly, how secure your financial future really is. By the end, you'll know exactly what kind of house you're building, and more importantly, how to upgrade it to something that will give you long-term peace of mind. I'm sure you want more than just a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. You're ready to build a solid financial foundation, set yourself up for success, and finally stop stressing over money. You want to learn how to thrive, not just survive. Welcome to Flourish in Wealth, where future moneymakers come to learn the tricks. I'm all about helping you make smart moves with your money so you can build wealth, stop stressing over money, and begin to flourish. So grab a seat, get ready to dive in, and let's figure out what kind of financial house you're building. As we get ready to kick off the new year, it's the perfect time to take a closer look at your financial situation and understand where you stand. You've probably heard people talk about having their financial house in order, right? It's a metaphor for being on top of your financial game, but here's the catch. Most people don't know the real state of their financial house. Your financial state is like the foundation of your house. It determines the stability and security of your financial well-being. Just like a house needs a strong foundation to withstand storms, your finances need a solid base to weather life's unexpected events. So, let's take a moment to assess. Are you building on solid ground or sinking sand? Comment below with the word foundation if you're ready to dig deep and discover the truth about your financial health. When you do, it'll not only help the algorithm push this video to more people who need to hear it, but it'll also show me that you're committed to building your financial foundation. Let's start with the first type, the sick financial house. Imagine a house with leaky windows, a cracked foundation, and a roof that's falling apart. It's still standing, but it's not going to last much longer if you don't take action. This is what happens when your money comes in, but there's nothing left after bills, expenses, and debt. You're working hard, but it feels like you're just treading water. You pay the bills, but there's nothing left to invest, save, or build wealth. The cycle looks like this. Money comes in, you get paid from your job or business. Money goes out. It's used to pay bills, rent, food, and maybe some debts. And when you get to the end of the month, you're back to square one with no savings or investments. Here's the problem with this sick state. It's unsustainable. Over time, the pressure starts to build. And guess what? Without any protection, no emergency fund, no insurance, no investments, your family could end up struggling if something unexpected happens. And we don't even want to go there. That's what a sick financial state looks like. It's a constant struggle to keep up with bills, unexpected expenses, feel like a punch in the gut, and debt keeps piling up faster than dirty laundry. Living in a sick financial house is stressful and unsustainable. It's like trying to bail out a sinking ship with a teaspoon. But don't despair. As we reflect on the past year and set our sights on a brighter new year, recognizing the problem is the first step toward recovery. We are going to explore how to move from this precarious state to a more stable and secure financial future. Next, let's talk about the stable financial house. Picture this house as being in decent condition. Maybe it has a fresh coat of paint and a few new windows. Things are holding together, but it's not yet a fortress. This is where most people fall. They're doing okay. They've got a steady income, they're paying their bills on time, and maybe they even have a little extra left to put into savings or invest. They've got some credit, and things look stable. Here's what's happening in a stable financial house. Money comes in, steady paycheck or business income. Bills are paid on time. Your credit score looks good. Credit is used wisely. You might have credit cards or loans, but they're managed well. Some savings or investments. You've got a little nest egg and maybe some investments, but there's not much growth yet. Now, while a stable house is good, it's not the end game. A stable house means you're surviving, but you're not necessarily thriving. It's great that your bills are paid and you've got a little bit of savings, but what's next for you in the new year? The goal here is to do more than just stay steady. We want to build wealth. Once you're stable, you can start thinking about investing and building wealth-producing assets. This is where you can start to grow your wealth and create additional income streams. These are things that may seem like expenses now, but will generate income later, like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Investing in these assets can provide you with passive income, which means your money is working for you, even when you're not actively working. This is the key to building long-term wealth and achieving financial freedom. Now, let's get to the dream. The strong financial house. This is the ultimate goal. As we enter the new year, this is where you want to be. Imagine a beautiful mansion with a solid foundation, durable windows, and a roof that can withstand any storm. Your financial house is built to last, and it keeps growing stronger over time. Here's what a strong financial house looks like. Money comes in, same as before, but now you've got multiple streams of income. Job, side hustle, investments. Bills are paid on time without stress, and there's money left over to save and invest. Income-producing assets. This is the key difference. Instead of just saving or relying on your job, you invest in assets that generate more money, stocks, real estate, businesses. Wealth grows over time, your assets increase in value, and you have the ability to pass down wealth to your family. A strong financial house is about investing in the right places so that money works for you. Your income isn't just coming from your job, it's coming from your assets, your investments, and your businesses. A strong financial house is the ultimate goal. Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, where you can enjoy vacations with your family, live in a beautiful home, and have the freedom to pursue your passions without constantly worrying about money. It's like living in a luxurious mansion with a swimming pool and a tennis court. Picture yourself waking up in a home that not only meets your needs but exceeds your wildest dreams. A place where every corner reflects your hard work and dedication to building a secure financial future. Okay, maybe not that extravagant, but you get the idea. The essence of a strong financial house is not just about luxury, but about the peace of mind and stability it brings. It's about having the confidence to face any financial challenge head-on, knowing you have a solid foundation to fall back on. You're financially secure, you have multiple streams of income, and you're well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. This means having a diversified portfolio that includes various income sources, ensuring that you're not reliant on a single paycheck. It's about creating a safety net that allows you to take risks and seize opportunities without fear. The key to building a strong financial house is to focus on income-producing assets, or IPAs. These are investments that generate a steady stream of income, providing you with financial stability and growth. By strategically selecting and managing these assets, you can create a robust financial ecosystem that supports your long-term goals. These are assets that generate passive income, like rental properties. Imagine owning multiple rental units that provide you with a consistent monthly income, allowing you to reinvest and grow your wealth further. Rental properties can be a cornerstone of your financial house, offering both immediate returns and long-term appreciation. Dividend-paying stocks or online businesses. These investments can provide you with regular income without requiring constant attention. Dividend stocks offer the dual benefit of capital appreciation and income, while online businesses can generate revenue around the clock, leveraging the power of the internet to reach a global audience. Think of IPAs as your personal money-making machines, tirelessly working to grow your wealth. These assets are designed to generate income with minimal effort on your part, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. By automating your income streams, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy the fruits of your labor, working tirelessly to grow your wealth even while you sleep. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your investments are working for you 24/7, steadily increasing your net worth. This is the ultimate goal of building a strong financial house, creating a self-sustaining system that provides you with financial security and the freedom to live life on your terms. Now that we know the three types of financial houses, how do you build a strong one? It's not as hard as it sounds, but it does take discipline and time. Here's what you can do to get started. Building a strong financial house requires a plan. Just like you wouldn't start building a house without a blueprint, you shouldn't start managing your finances without a solid plan in place. It's like constructing a house. You need a blueprint. This blueprint will guide you through the process and help you stay on track. Invest in income-producing assets. Start putting money into stocks, real estate, or businesses that generate income. Don't just save money, make it work for you. Maintain good credit. A good credit score is like the foundation of your financial house. It allows you to access loans and lines of credit when you need them. Pay your bills. This one's basic, but it's crucial. Stay on top of your bills, avoid late fees, and pay your debts. Start small, think big. It's okay to start with small investments, but always have a long-term vision. Track your spending. Knowledge is power. Understanding where your money goes is the first step to taking control of your finances. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to track where your money is going. Create a budget. This will help you see the bigger picture and make informed decisions about your spending. Allocate your income to different categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. This way, you can ensure that all your essential needs are met while also setting aside money for leisure and unexpected expenses. Pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before paying other expenses. This habit will help you build a financial cushion and prepare for the future. Tackle your debt. Create a debt repayment plan and focus on paying off high-interest debt first. This will save you money in the long run and help you become debt-free faster. Invest wisely. Explore different investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. Diversifying your investments can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Educate yourself. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from financial experts. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or starting a business, having specific goals will give you direction and motivation. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Life changes, and so should your financial strategy. Stay flexible and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Remember, building a strong financial house takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. With a solid plan and consistent effort, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Start building your financial house today. Take the first step towards a secure and prosperous future. Let me leave you with this final question. What do you do with most of your money? Is it going toward bills, paying off debt, or is it growing in assets that will build wealth for you over time? If you're only paying bills, your financial house is either sick or stable. But if you're building wealth, then you're on your way to a strong financial house that will support you, your family, and future generations. So I want you to ask yourself, will you build your financial house strong? It's all about making smart decisions today so that tomorrow you're not just getting by, you're thriving. It's time to get real about how you can build a strong financial house in the new year. The new year is the perfect time to start making those intentional, smart decisions that will pay off down the line. If you're ready to start building, let me know by dropping the word foundation in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and remember, flourish in wealth. See you in the next video.